everybody. I'm Sarah Sanogo from Alien Group. Since my basic school, I learned that the glory of my Côte d'Ivoire is based on agriculture. But why farmers are still complaining and why food self-sufficiency is still an issue for my country? Well, in the past, our parents had the perfect control of growing season, but with climate change, everything has been turned upside down. So there is a real lack of information of the soil to be cultivated, which leads to huge agricultural losses and therefore economics. So to overcome, we create ATA solutions, which is an electronic device equipped with a sensor connected that once implanted on the ground will collect data on the container that will be automatically processed by our intelligent system and set up with the help of agricultural engineers and systematically sent in form of interpretation to our users via web, mobile, SMS, and voice SMSs. Our users, this interpretation is sent in local languages to the farmers according to his level of illiteracy. And they benefit from land diagnosis, crop monitoring, and also agricultural advice, please. So for agricultural sectors, ATA will facilitate and improve farming practice from seed to harvest, and also use technology for better performance and achieve food self-sufficiency. For agronomists, it will permit to them to be efficient and modernize their work simply. Okay, according to a study conducted, our potential market is estimated at 2,730,000 hectares of cultivated land on 4,200,000 hectares. We expect to make a profit on the rental of our sensor, subscription to ATA service, and by making our data to organizations interested in activity report in the agricultural sector. Today, our platform are completed, and we done also the first pilot phase in Atingé, located in the south of Ivory Coast. And our need is $70,000 over 2 years, 44% of which will be used to purchase sensors, 32% for working capital, and 23% operating expenses, and 1% to research and to improve the solutions. So we are naturally, competitors, but instead of drone, all our competitors use drones, but we use a connected sensor for be close to the farmers and also to the ground using our sensors, and so to the reliability of our data, and we touch them who are the world actors, the peasant, by give them the interpretation in local languages. So beyond ATA solution, We are five personalities from different backgrounds work for its full efficiency. And we have to notice that, let's remember one thing for all of them. Beyond all technological advances, the health is the only wealth we will have to live. And let's take care of our health and develop our economic wave as a solutions. So, thank you for your attention.